Yeah, some losing parts. And on that wheel there is no loop at all. And I'm actually not sure if should be like that, but it's completely dry. This knob, stinky knob. Yeah, it's having some loop, but it's, well, looks like 3D printed shit. Alright, let's play with some screwdriver and let's open that. That looks scary to me already because I'm not an expert. Well, the weird thing, because these screws are going out without any force. I don't know if that should be like that or no. Alright, let's try to open this. Oh, there is some shitty tape. Okay. I will try to get rid of that, and if needed I will just put another one. Let's see how it goes. So actually, the reason why I'm doing this, because this is my second U200 Aqara. The first one died after 6 months, which caused me tons of the issues because my home door were completely locked and the Aqara was jammed. So I sent it back to Amazon. They just did a claim on Aqara or whatever. However, they sent me money back. So I purchased another one. The same Aqara. And it's just like nearly 3 months now. And it's loud. And I got a feeling it will jam anytime soon. So I check on the Facebook. And people were saying like it's missing some lube. And I saw a couple of pictures. Some kind guy sent me a tutorial, like step by step what to do, and this is what I'm doing. And have a look what's inside. Yeah. Opening, and there you go. Stinky. Holy shit, there is no lube. But it's somehow some kind of sticky. Yeah. Alright, let me fast forward this. And I will wash that. And we'll see what to do next. Alright, to wash it, I'm going to use some alcohol. It's just like 99% or 98, whatever. It's for electronics shit. So yeah, basically, I'm just going to put that in that container. Hopefully, like a couple of seconds will do the job. And then I have a brush, so I will brush that. Yeah, I will fast forward. Just watch that. Okay, this is, I think, the moment I fucked up something, because there is some small metal washer. So just guys, be careful. Oh yeah, you see that? Yeah, nice one. So don't forget to put that in, otherwise something bad might happen. Don't know. Okay, so with that part, I was thinking like what to do, but yeah, cleaning. Let's see. Hopefully it won't. It will be good actually because I will lube that too. Yeah, so all the external parts I will just simply wash and use the brush. And now the part with the motor. I want to clean this and I'm just like trying to, well, I will use the alcohol, but I won't, soak that completely, and just make sure I'll just clean only with the brush just to avoid, making the motor wet. I don't know if that's the case. I'm not expert here. I'm just trying to follow the guide, which was like a text guide, and well, helpful, but we will see later. And the last part, the plastic one, it's sticky with some lube, but I'm not going to wash it completely. I will just use the towel soaked on the alcohol, and I will clean that like that. Maybe I will use the brush also. Yeah, let's try to clean this perfectly. I hope I can lube that too. Well, I will lube that too. We'll see what's the effect. Now it's the fun part. In couple of next seconds, you will see how noob am I with this, things. I'm trying to, put everything together now, and I will definitely fast forward that because it took me like, I think 10, 12 minutes because simply I forgot to take a picture how the wheels come in. Anyway, enjoy watching and I will show you something later. That's the lube liquid moly, which I'm going to use, and it's just like recommended on some forum, and I think on the Facebook it was also recommended. Something professional, but the thing is, it's like black or dark. However, this is internal part, so it doesn't matter. The thing is, I don't know, should I put this like a thin layer or thick layer or whatever. This one is not that stinky, so yeah, let me grab the same brush and let's go have a look. I will fast forward again because this is like me doing manual stuff. The best part is coming in a minute. So now you see me doing the dry mount because I forgot how to do this, so I had to do one by one, just to see how it works. And as soon as I figured out everything, it was a time to put some lube. Firstly, I did just like a thick layer or thin layer, and the second one was to check and then put another lube. Just I thought maybe if there will be a slightly more, it will be quiet, but it's still already very, very smooth, and it's just working like easily. There is no drops, like, so yeah, I'm so far I'm super happy. But still, let's see how to put extra lube. So cleaning my desk and final checks, and it's actually good. There's a lot of lube, And yeah, I'm ready to put back screws. And let's see what's next. Of course, I decided to put some lube on this one. I think it's actually needed. But again, I'm not an expert. You do what you think it should be done. I'm just showing you what I actually did. And in a second, I will again messed up with that piece of plastic. Hear that noise? Even I put some lube, it just something is wrong with this one. So again, fast forward, I just need to check what's happening here. Yeah, that noise again. And I'm trying to figure out what's happening here. And I actually figured it out. The problem is when I, force that knob and pushing it slightly down, it's just not working well. And here is the trick. That's the reason why on forums and I think even on manual, it says mount your lock properly. So it's a, really good fit. Otherwise, you will be struggling. Even my lock is mounted properly, but it just happened to me. Alright, I think it's job done. Battery on. Let's unlock it. Quiet. But it's on the slow one, yeah? So let me do one more test and let's go to the door. Let's see. And people saying that I need to do some calibration. I don't do any calibration. I will just try to fit this. And it's actually not bad. I'm pretty impressed with that. In total, that was like half an hour. Well spent time. It's quiet, it's smooth again. And yes, it was worth. So if you have time and you don't bother about the warranty, go ahead.